Welcome to our channel. If you want to install the Downloader app on your Firestick to access third-party applications and content, follow these step-by-step instructions for a safe installation. Step 1. Before installing Downloader, you need to enable installation from unknown sources. Press Home, go to Settings, select My Fire TV, then Developer Options, and turn on Apps from unknown sources. Step 2. Return to the Firestick home screen by pressing the Home button. Navigate to the top menu and click on the search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. Step 3. Using the on-screen keyboard, type in Downloader. As you type, the search results will automatically populate below. Select the Downloader app when it appears in the results. Step 4. The Downloader app page will open, showing details about the app, screenshots, and user reviews. Click on the Download or Get button to begin installing the app to your Firestick. Step 5. Wait for the download and installation to complete. This usually takes less than a minute depending on your internet connection speed. The app will install automatically once downloaded. Step 6. Once installed, click Open to launch the Downloader app for the first time. You'll see a Terms of Service agreement that you need to accept before using the app. Step 7. The Downloader app will open to a browser interface with a URL field. You can now enter web addresses to download APK files for third-party apps not available in the Amazon App Store. Step 8. To easily access Downloader in the future, find it in your Apps and Channels section on the home screen. You can also move it to the top row for quicker access to downloaded content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.